Hi everyone, this is Nicole with ZenMaid, and today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about how to set up a booking form. So we're on the dashboard here. This is the ZenMaid demo account, and I'm going to go over to bookings on the left-hand side and click on booking forms. As you can see, we have a couple that are currently active, just again as demos, and I'll show you what this looks like. This is the mock client-facing booking form, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to start from scratch so you can see how to build all of these elements. In the booking form tab, just going to go over to new booking form. And everything here is fully customizable. So we'll be starting from the very top. Here we have a heading and a subheading, as well as an optional description, and you can modify them in any way that you would like. You can change the text, and then here is the client information. So again, all these pencil icons indicate that you can change this text and edit it to be whatever you would like. We have name, email, phone number. The client will opt in to receive SMS-related messages, service address, and then here's all the information about the cleaning. So this is bedroom. Again, you can modify any of the text here so that it can reflect whatever wording you wish. And there's a scale here for the client to be able to slide. And then under each one is also pricing. So you can display the pricing, base price per bedroom. We'll go under here, bathroom, same thing, fully customizable text, as well as pricing. Property size is also a module here, and the pricing would be per 100 square feet. And then on the right-hand side here, you'll notice that there's drag and drop elements. This is in case you want to add any specific questions that are not currently in the default. So let's just say custom question number 1, and we'll put that at the bottom here. And this is the custom question, and I can modify that to say, for example, do you have any pets? Click save. And now this is a new question on the form. You can also modify the book now button here, so you can have it say whatever you wish. Okay, moving on to the sidebar. This is a sidebar preview. You can add a sidebar element here. So this is just the default that we have right now. It says saves you time, and then it has a description about ZenMaid. But if you want to, you can update the icon here. We also have advanced icons. You can adjust this as you need. Next, we go into pricing. So you can adjust pricing here under each slider and display prices or not, depending on what you want to do. They have form-based pricing and also minimum booking price. And if you're confused on the difference between the two, you can hover over this information icon and it will tell you the difference between those two numbers. Next, in the Appearance tab, you can show your logo on the form. So your logo would be uploaded in the Settings tab within ZenMaid, and you can choose to display it or not. And then we also have color palettes. So these are some of ZenMaid's colors, but say you want to change it. If you click on the color itself, you have this color picker, and you can also enter the hex code if that's easier for you. In settings here, we have form language, which is English, but you can change that to Spanish or Polish, for example. You can also create a custom URL. And then under appointment creation here, the recommendation is to manually confirm every appointment that gets placed. That way you make sure that you review all of them before they're booked. However, you can choose to automatically place appointments on the calendar once the forms are submitted. You can also set a status for new appointments, so active, canceled, completed. For example, if you would like to remove ZenMaid branding from the booking form, we support that on our Pro Max plan. And then last, this checkbox here is to notify office managers if there are new bookings. Last, in confirmation, this is the confirmation heading. So this is the text that would appear to the client after they confirm their appointment, but you can also modify it. I'll add an exclamation point, and I'll add a smiley face. You can have confirmation text. Again, you can change this as you wish. And close button text, this says back to site, but again, you can change this. This option here sends a booking confirmation email to your customers. Same thing here, but with SMS. And then if you want to redirect customers back to your homepage, for example, on your website, you can also add a redirect. That's everything you need to know about booking forms. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at support@zenmaid.com or reach out to us on social media. We monitor all of our inboxes, so if you have any questions, we're happy to get back to you there. Bye!